Hello guys and welcome to another video on my channel. Today I show you how to build the Witchking helmet from the Lord of the Rings. And yes, all you need for that is my free templates, linked in the description below, some cardboard, something to cut, craft glue and hot glue, wrapping paper, a few wooden skewers and varnish. And yes, after a long time we are going to build a helmet together. And if you like this video, so give me a like so you can support me. Maybe you can share this video. Maybe you can subscribe my channel so you don't miss any other videos. But I will say, let's begin. We have to start like this. Take a long piece of cardboard in a thickness of 4 centimeters. I can't tell you how long it should be, because you have to put it around your head. Like this, I show you this. At first knead it and bend it all over. On your forehead, you can press it on your head like this. This is how you will put the helmet on, how close it is. I mark here how far it goes, and then I can go here all with hot glue. Be careful not to burn yourself or your hair. Now pause the video and print out the template sheets 1 and 2. They are linked for free in the video description. Now put on the cardboard strips and mark the center. I've already marked it here. Then take A and stick it in the center, like this. Now you have to glue 2 B parts on top of each other for both sides. This hole is the eye. Make use of it, you must be able to see through it. Do the same on the other side. Now cut out the eye hole here. For the iconic chair, glue also 2 C parts on top of each other. The gluing point is at the back here. But you need wooden skewers like this to make it stick. Pierce it like this. Don't worry, it will be stabilized even more later. These also glued together, but here you have to knead it afterwards. When it is in shape, glue it to the strips, as shown here. Don't forget to put the helmet on again and again to see if it fits you. Now the back of your head looks like mine. As everyone has a different head size, you now have to measure and cut out this piece yourself. Glue this together and etch it so that it fits the curve. Finally, we need a part of the cheek. Glue it together like the previous pieces and knead well. Tip: glue the piece to the lower part first and then to the upper part. For the long tip, I have separated F and G so that it fits on the sheet. If you have enough cardboard, you can cut them out directly together. If you want a smaller tip, shorten G slightly. I also use a skewer here so that it holds and doesn't bend. Now you can fill this each up to the top with hot glue and press it together. Now grab some water and even less craft glue and mix it together. Apply a few layers of paper mache all over your helmet. Let it dry and harden. Now take something to lay under and a brush. Take glossy clear varnish and apply it generously to the helmet. This makes it more stable and shiny. Now we come to the decoration, like the spikes. But first, cut and glue A as in the video. As for the tip, you can cut out A and B together if you have enough cardboard. The back of the head is the same as before. Measure the gap and cut out the part that fits you. For the next step, you have to cut away the piece of cardboard. It was only useful at the beginning. Glue B2 as in the video. And yes, I miscounted the order of the letters. That's why this piece is called B2 and not C. Now it's time for the spikes. Cut out all C and D parts and glue a skewer to one end. Leave the tip sticking out a little. That done, roll this up tightly. First roll it without glue and then roll it with craft glue. Leave it to harden and place something heavy on top to prevent it from opening. Now cut away all skewers on this side. Now we need to cut the tip. I use scissors here and cut them to shape. Once you have done this with all of them, you need to cover them with paper mache. Use very small pieces of wrapping paper. Take a lot of time to do this. To make them shine, you can also cover them with clear varnish and leave them to harden. You need to trim the underside so that it fits properly on the helmet. Here below is a picture, but also on the template sheet I've given you the shape. We don't need a skewer of the small cheese spikes. I have already glued something here. There is no exact arrangement. Glue the tips as you like. Now stick the large tip into the helmet at the appropriate point so that it points upwards. I recommend sticking it first without glue to see how it looks like. The small spike goes now up here. Now take the eye and glue it once all around. Now the helmet, as seen in the film, will be finished. However, I didn't like this result yet. I wanted a little bit more. That's why the following is my creation. For that, measure your distance from the tip and cut out a part with a height of 3 centimeters. I deliberated through J too big for the back of the head. So measure for your distance and cut J to fit your gap. But before you glue J on the helmet, take this part and place it on top of the other parts. Trace the shape of J onto the other parts and cut them out. Now you can glue all the parts between your spikes. Now you can bandage your part a little, so that they almost touch at the bottom. Be careful, otherwise you might destroy everything. If you feel unsure, you better leave it as it is. Less is more here. And your helmet is finished. And you're ready to fight armies and not to be defeated by any man. Skip. Yes, this was the tutorial for the Witch King's helmet. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Then you can subscribe me so you don't miss any other videos. And like this video and share it maybe with a friend. I will say, up there or up there is the whole playlist linked. And then goodbye.